y'all, Cindy A. Lewis here. Welcome. Today's going to be a quick and easy video using the backgrounds that we made in a previous video with different mixed media, and I tore them in half so you can see. I started making them into pockets with a little flip for a secret message, and just using some scraps that I have, some leftover pieces of file folder, and just creating something really beautiful to go in a junk journal. All right, so these are the ones that I have already done. I'm just going to show you how to put them together. So I'm just taking pieces from my file folder where I cut for some Christmas planners I'm making. And this is just a piece that's already cut like this. To make the flip, I just fold down the front piece. I love the stars, so since I have a couple of pieces for the stars, we'll use that. Now, if your scrap is not the right size, then just tear your paper. I like the teared look anyway, and I love using up scraps for different things to make something beautiful. So what I'm doing is making sure that my pocket will be covered, so I don't need to come all the way down to the fold. And I am not vintagizing or inking any of the edges until I'm ready to put it together. Just do it all at once. So I love the teared look. Now I don't have to do anything here because this is going to be glued down on the sides, but I need something here and on the inside. For the front part, I'm going to use this star. So did you know there were green stars? We talked about that the other day. So there are, because we just made them. All right, so we're going to put this here. I want to trim a little off the side and glue this down to the front. All right, so we've got the front of the flip, and then we have where the pocket will be. So we need something in here. So I'm using this thin paper here, and I'm not doing anything hard with it. To cut the size, I'm just tearing it along. Now, since this is thin like vellum, I'm using my Yoo-hoo stick, and I'm using that to adhere it so I don't see any streaks or anything. And I just put it all on the background first, my file folder, and then I'm just going to lay it on here and smooth it down. I do want to make sure I get edge to edge, so in case it's pulled away, and even though I did pull that there, it's a little strong with it, I can cover that up or leave it. Now I've got a little hangover here, but that's okay too. And then I also have a little piece of the stars here that I'm going to put at the bottom just to add continuity. So I'm just going to use my regular glue here. Now we're going to ink it and glue it all together. And just so you know, before I glue it, I'm inking all around the edges, and then I will glue it together. Next, just put glue along the edges or your tape runner, and that's going to create your pocket. And that's going to seal really well for your pocket. And then you want to make sure that your flip is not sealed. And it'll take just a second for your glue to adhere. And then you can add whatever other details that you'd like, embellishments. Let's add a little lace here. All right, so simple as that. Really fun little notes there. Hope you enjoyed this quick and easy little way to use up your scraps and your backgrounds that we made with the mixed media. That's a really fun one too. And love all these little pockets that add to your page. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day.